It's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Auto Week proclaims the Honda Civic got a new attitude after dropping some weight, adding better materials to the interior, and improving fuel economy. The Civic demands even more attention than it already gets. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.